Hi everyone. In this video, we'll be discussing some important idioms and proverbs that can increase your band score for the speaking module. Also, I will give you cue cards for each idiom where you can use it easily. Let's start. The first idiom is out of the blue. It means something that happened unexpectedly. Now, the cue cards where you can make use of this idiom. The first cue card is an international news you heard. When you begin your cue card, you can speak, "Here I am going to talk about a piece of news that came out of the blue for me." The second cue card is, talk about a time when you have to wait in the long line. In this cue card, many students are talking about demonetization when they had to wait in the bank to withdraw or deposit money. You can say the news of demonetization came out of the blue. I will give you some other examples. The first example is, the news of my friend's divorce came out of the blue. Means you didn't have any idea about the divorce of your friend. In such situation, this idiom can be used. Next example is, out of the blue, my friend announced that she was moving to Canada. Now we will move to our next idiom. In the red. It means spending more than earning or not to have much money, being in debt. Cue card for this idiom is a bag that you want to own. It can be said that I wanna have this bag, but unfortunately I am in the red now, so I would like to have it in the future. Other examples are, I can't afford to buy this luxurious bag as I am in the red, or his business has been in the red for many years. The third idiom is child's play. It means to be extremely easy. There are 4 cue cards where this idiom can be used. The first cue card is, describe a time when you promised something. In this cue card, you can say it was not a child's play to keep this promise. The second cue card is, describe a time when you had to sing a song or poem in front of the public. The sentence could be, although it was not a child's play for me to perform in front of the people, I managed to entertain everyone. The third is, describe a goal that you want to achieve in the future. You can say, though it is not a child's play to achieve this goal, I will leave no stone unturned to fulfill my desire. And the fourth cue card for this idiom is, describe a prize that you received. You can say, as cooking is my hobby, so it was a child's play for me to win this prize, or any competition you are talking about. Other examples are, it is not a child's play to learn a foreign language. For my friend, learning a guitar was a child's play. The next idiom is hit the ceiling. It means to get very angry and upset. Related cue card is, talk about a time when your computer broke down. You can say, I hit the ceiling when my computer was broken down, which means I got very angry and upset. Other examples are, whenever someone talks in the favor of dowry, I hit the ceiling. Second is, he hit the ceiling when his younger brother crashed his bike. The next cue card is, to be at sea. It means to be confused, bemused, or bewildered. The cue card where this idiom can be used, describe a time when you told an important truth. It can be said that initially I was at sea, but at last I decided to reveal the truth. It means initially I was confused. The second cue card is a prize you won. The sentence is, initially I was at sea whether to participate or not, but finally I decided to take part in the competition. And there are many other cue cards. Wherever you wanna say you were confused, you may make use of this idiom. It would be extremely impressive. Other examples are I was all at sea in the Spanish language class. When the teacher asked me about politics, I was at sea. So, at sea means confused. The next idiom is to eat greens. It means to eat vegetables. Related cue cards are talk about an interesting conversation. If in this cue card you are talking about the conversation of a healthy lifestyle, you can say, I came to know that it is highly beneficial for our health to eat greens. Or there is a cue card about a piece of advice where you can say, I advised my friend to eat greens to avoid health issues, only if you are talking about health related advice in this cue card. Other examples are I prefer to eat greens rather than fast food. Doctors always advise people to eat greens. So instead of saying to eat vegetables, use to eat greens. The next one is to keep mum. It means remain silent, especially so as not to reveal a secret. Related cue cards are describe a party you enjoyed, describe the happiest moment of your life. You can say, everyone kept mum about the party to surprise me. And the second example is, the statement is not official yet, so it is better to keep mum. Now we will discuss two proverbs to use in the speaking module. The first one is, practice makes a man perfect. It tells us the importance of continuous practice to learn anything. We must have to rehearse in the particular field on a regular basis in which we want to succeed. For example, when I was not able to get good grades in English, I started practicing on a daily basis and finally achieved 90% marks in the subject. It is rightly said that practice makes perfect. There is a cue card describe a time when you promised someone. You can click the I button to watch this cue card and you can add this proverb in this cue card. Our next proverb is a friend in need is a friend indeed. It means a friend who helps someone when help is needed is a true friend. There are many cue cards about friends or persons where this proverb can be used. For example, we must help our friends in thick and thin because a friend in need is a friend indeed. There are some intro questions about friendship or friends where this proverb is extremely beneficial to use. So, wherever you get a chance, just use idioms or proverbs to get higher band score in your speaking section. If you find this video informative, please like and subscribe and also share it with your friends.